Are you interested on how to set up a dental tray? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a dental tray. It's pretty easy. First, you would need to assess on exactly what procedure that is going to be performed, and then you would go ahead and get all of your materials that you'll need. In this case, we're going to set up the tray for a basic setup. It's one of the standard setups in the dental office. First, you need a mask for yourself. Then you will need gloves also. And then also you will need what we call as the patient bib, and then the bib connector for the patient. Then you would go ahead, you would put on your gloves, put your mask on, and then you would you want to make sure that you get a sterilized pack of instruments. A great way to tell if they are sterilized is because the arrows above the pack, they are initially pink before they go through sterilization, and then when they have been sterilized, they actually turn brown. So therefore you know that the pack has been sterilized and it's ready to go. You would then open up the instruments, and then just kind of take them out, and then place them on the tray. And a great, easier way to make your job easier in the long run is actually setting up the instruments in the order that they are going to be performed. So 9 times out of 10, yourself or the doctor will use the mirror first, so you always want to place that first. Then he would like to use the Explorer to determine if the patient has any cavities. You'd place that. And then this is actually a saliva ejector that you would want to put off to the side, and then your cotton pickups, which that will pick up any debris that might be in the mouth or any cotton that's in there. You always want to have what we call as a 2x2. This will be able, that way you can wipe the mirror clean of saliva, and then you want to have a suction tip. This will suck out any excess saliva or debris that might be in the patient's mouth. But it's pretty easy on how to set up a dental tray. You just need to make sure you have these key items, and then you're ready to go. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you and showed you on how to set up a dental tray.